Okay, so what I've done is I finished putting in the motherboard standoffs here. There's 6 of them here, each of which align to a hole in the motherboard here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So I put those in. Also got this little input connection cover here that I'm going to put on. Usually they go on fairly easily, just line them up, pop it. It's not going to be a very secure fit, but what we're going to need to do is just pop that in here. Try to keep it positioned as it goes into the input, or the little port on the side. And then I'm going to go ahead and try to line up my motherboard with that. You don't want to do too much pressure. Just make sure everything's kind of fitting over there. That looks pretty good. And then I'm going to go ahead and adjust this a little bit to slide it in. Okay, looks pretty good. Looks like I'm lined up to my motherboard holes. So what I'm going to do is then use these 632 screws that came with the actual motherboard and start slotting down my motherboard. So what I want to do is take these screws and just pop them in here and make sure that the hole in the motherboard obviously is lined up with the standoffs. I'm going to go ahead and put that in there. Once I get one of these, it should help out. Okay, so just screw that in. And then I'm going to do the other 5, and then I'll show you the next steps.